just paid a lot of attention on this particular need, and that's why I feel that the parents are happy, and if you keep the child happy, and the sir has already mentioned that the happy school, so we also inculcated some of the innovative ideas in our school, like we kept a happy hour, we just tried to create a happy environment, and my school is basically famous for as a happy school only for my children. So maybe
आपके
the
साथ मैम
parents have liked
will
that idea.
organize a Meenakshi ma'am will organize a very dedicated session with you. How you could make it, how you could achieve 1,500 students in just 6 7 years. That's
Yeah,
kind of a
and it
formula
has it
we would
has
like
the
to learn.
sir, it
We would
has
like
the
to.
largest, yes, it has the largest senior section of this particular area, and I got a 500 plus student just in senior section only. So it is
Will
not
will
only
organize will organize a
class 12
dedicated will
affiliated,
organize
it
a,
is the biggest senior school, and I am nothing as compared to all these eminent educationists who have served through this education field for so many years. So as an
Meenakshi
entrepreneur,
ma'am,
yes.
today, we have a limited time, but we'll organize a dedicated session on this
Yes,
because a
sir,
lot of
most
people,
welcome. I
and
can
Jaswinder
only
sir,
share my experience. I can only share my experience,
absolutely, uh,
what I have done and what has helped me to get better. So if it has worked for me, I think it is going to work for everybody. So
great,
we do need
great.
that
Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. And now,
yes.
thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Now I would request Jaswinder sir, sir, if we can have your concluding remark and if we can know that what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education, Jaswinder sir.
Thank you, Rajulji. I would add
Minister
one
cannot
small
do
thing.
anything, sir. A
Okay, I
common
would add
person
one.
can do the best.
I would want to add one small thing to what ma'am said. मैम आपने सच्चे दिल से किया ना इसलिए पूरी कायनात ने आपको हेल्प किया एनीथिंग डन विद द प्योर
Bas,
हार्ट
your
दैट विल वर्क
intention should be good, yes, and it should be basically child oriented. Even the new education policy is totally child centric. It wants the goodness. So if your intentions are good and if you really want to work something for your children, it is definitely going to get work. That I know.
I am going to
You're
talk
saying the
about a
same
little
thing.
extra point. Yes, ma'am. My point is if I have to give my concluding remark on NEP 2020, all I would say is great document, but now the
Yes.
implementation lies in our hands. Samisa, you said
Mhm.
anything
Right.
unless implemented properly will not work. So we have to now put in our efforts, put our hands together, put our heads together, and see to it that we implement it because the government alone will not be able to implement it. It is such a big task that we need to do it piece by piece and then work on it. So that is what I think what we need to do. Second thing, I know, ma'am, that minister can't do anything, but as a minister, I would make sure that the teachers who are the integral part of any solution, you can get any policy, you can get any infrastructure. If the teachers are not able to do a good job, it'll not work. And there was also discussed earlier that some teachers don't do it because they are doing for the heck of it. If you get teachers by choice, teachers who want to come into this thing, provided yes they are paid properly, second they are respected properly. आप देखिए ना वाल्मीकि जैसे गुरु कैसे मिलते हैं, right? You need
And
to
at
have.
the same way, sir, you need to earn your respect. So the
I'm coming
teachers
to that.
also need
I'm
to be,
coming to that. I'm
yes.
coming to that. So what I say is that we need to see to it that teachers are respected and made as the first class citizens. The moment you are respected, you will have to do good. अगर कोई आपके पांव छूता है तो आप गलत नहीं कर सकते if you're a normal human being. So what I have done, Minakshi ma'am, Dogra sir, Trivedi sahib, what I want to talk about is I am out on a mission and I don't want it to be my mission. I want it to be our mission. I'm going to just share a small document for you all. Just bear with me for a minute. What I'm trying to say is, if you can look at, can you see the screen, sir? Can you see the screen?
Yes,
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 Okay.
sir.
yes.
Okay. So you see, what we say is that all doctors are recognized when they write a DR as a prefix to their name. Engineers write ER. Chartered accountants write CA. Why can't we have something for us? So I propose that all educationists write a DR before them. Let the world know that we are educationists and we are the people who are building the society and the country. If we do that, if I am recognized, I will have to do good, Minakshi ma'am. But This respect is important. Unless you have this, the right kind of people will never join this. We need to do that. So I have taken the liberty of writing this for you. I would request if all of you could, actually get onto this, something of this part. If you can write, let your
Thank
teacher
you very
write,
much.
and tell them that you are the nation builders. Do a good job and let the world know that these are the nation builder. पैसा एक हद तक काम आता है, important है, इज्जत चाहिए मैम. So this is what I would
Great.
say. I would request if you could all
100% agree.
put it down into your schools. Let the teachers write ED. Let them know they are teachers. They have to behave like teachers. कुंदे सर आपने कहा ना, उसने एक टीचर ने क्या कर दिया, इसको मैंने कितनी बार किया है, because he wanted to let you know that he's doing a good job, because he was not there because of passion, he was there because of the job, because of his salary. But if a person comes with passion, वो तो बच्चे के सिर पे हाथ रख के बोलता, बेटा don't worry, तू आगे आके बैठ जा, वो तू मास्क पहन ले. Anyway, so I conclude my session with this. Thank you so much. I request if you can pass it down, because alone I cannot do that. I am talking in each and every
We'll
forum.
be doing
I'm
it.
telling that please do that. Let the world know that we are an educationist, right? Thank you.
We'll be
I
doing
rest
the
my point
needful,
here.
sir. Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much, ma'am.
It's
Thank
a
you.
great idea. Great idea.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jaswinder sir. And now I would request Sameer ji, before I go to Kundan sir, Sameer sir, if we can have your concluding remark. And what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education? Sameer sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you for this question. If I would get a chance to become Minister of Education, I'd like to bring a change, to bring learning in all respect with practical aspect of teaching, be any subject. See, generally we just from what we see is practicals happening in the sciences, physics, chemistry, bio. Okay, to more extent we do it in mathematics also. But yes, why can't we do practicals even in history? Why can't we do it in geography? Why can't we do it in economics? Why can't we do it in civics, political science? So if practical teaching happens, I think that will bring a major change or major revolutionary in the this entire system. Where this, see, when we do it, learning by doing, we remember it for a longer period of time. So that will be my suggestion. If we want to do it, let's bring practical aspects in all the teachings. Nowadays technology is also there with us, which can help us. Like for example, history. Okay, how practicals can be done in history? We can pull out videos and we can show it to our students. Okay, so I prefer practical teaching must be implemented in all the schools. And to my concluding remark, I could say that yes, very important is implementation. If planning is excellent, but if my teacher is not able to implement it, if my teacher is not able to go to that age level of the students and give it, then it is of no use of any planning. My teachers are all PhDs, but my child is 4 years, 5 years of age. If he or she cannot give it to my learner, then that why PhDs I could take it in my class. I could even take a graduate in my class. So that is my thing. My concluded remark is implementation should be the key factor in teaching and learning process.
Absolutely, absolutely. In fact, I just recall a famous quote from Japan. You know, talks are talks, policies are policies, promises are promises. It is the execution which is the only reality. So we may have a wonderful policy in our hand, but unless we get the execution done in a right way, all talks are just talks. So with this, I would request Kundan Lal sir, sir, we would like to end the session with your concluding remark. And what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education, Kundan sir?
Thank you very much for this opportunity to allow me to share my intent once again. I've been hearing, and there's a lot of taking for me from here. But yes, we want that education system would do its best when people with the best brains come into this field, right? People work for life day and night to become an IAS officer because it's very lucrative. It's got power, it's got position, it's got respect, it's got a lot of amenities and facilities, right? That's the most sought after career. If I happen to become an education minister and if I can do anything on that account, I would definitely like to make teaching profession as the most important profession, where it's highly lucrative for the best brains to join. It has got all facilities for the teachers, as it was already said by one of the speakers here, that we need to look after the teachers' needs. Yes, finance is very important. Of course, their respect is equally important. So they need to be respected. They need to have power. They need to be respected in the society. And that is how the best brains would come in. And as an education minister, if I'm able to implement this, I'm sure the teaching profession would become the first profession, and then definitely will have the best of the results. Thank you very much for this
Absolutely.
opportunity. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. Big thanks, Kundan sir, for that, very wonderful remark. Now, with this, we come to the end of the session. I must thank all the key speakers, Kundan sir, Meenakshi ma'am, Sameer sir, Jaswinder sir,
Thank you
for
very much.
participating and making.
Lovely meeting with everybody and to hear everyone, all eminent personalities.
Same
I
here.
really, lots of take up from me. And I'm taking
Absolutely.
lots of.
Absolutely. Big
Good.
thanks to everyone. We'll end
Yes.
the session here. Big thanks.
Yeah,
Thank
you.
you, everybody.
very much.
Thank you,
God
everybody.
bless you.
Thank
God
Kundan sir, I'll get in touch with you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Sameer sir, take care. Ma'am, do take care of yourself.
Yes,
Have a great,
always
great
stay in
evening.
touch, sir. It's lovely hearing you.
too.
It's lovely hearing you.
Love to
God
talk
bless
to you, ma'am.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, keep
Thank
doing
you.
the good work,
Yeah.
sir. Stay in touch.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. भैया डर गई कैसा रहा ठीक रहा है बेइज्जती वाला काम तो नहीं हुआ ना पॉइंट तो नहीं थे
उन्होंने बोला पर उन्होंने स्ट्रिक्ट उसके ऊपर बोला कोई व्यूज नहीं था
नहीं वो एक्चुअल में ना लोग ना ऐसे ही बोलते हैं बहुत बोलते हैं मेरे को ना वो फिर ना मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा तो मैं कहती हूँ ग्राउंड रियलिटी तो कुछ और है फिर वही बक 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 कुछ होता रहता है तो बस मुझे आई जस्ट वांट कि ग्राउंड रियलिटी पे बात करो वो नहीं कर पाती हूँ वो वहां पे